Good afternoon, everyone. It's a sunny 1st of October here. Always nice to see a couple of dry days in a country like Ireland. So let's talk about bamboo. Remember that video I done a couple of months ago, the bamboo Irish experiment? It got a fair few likes. I mean, something like 5,000 thereabouts, and a lot of comments like, why did you plant bamboo? It's going to take over your drive. It's going to grow up and under the foundation of your house. And generally the comments, fair enough, for saying huge mistake to plant bamboo. But let me show you anyhow in the intervening months what has happened to my bamboo planting. To be honest, looking at this here, I think nothing's happened. I mean, most of them, the leaves have died off. There's an example. Some of them have turned black. So there's an example. And some weeds and stuff have grown around the bamboo, but overall, I see no life in these bamboos at all. I mean, they seem to be just no change from the day I planted them, so I don't really know what's going on. But I can assure you, it's not growing up under the tarmac or taking over my mother's house. So I don't know, maybe separating them out into individual plants was a mistake and they never grew, which for many people, they reckon that's the best thing that ever happened, that this never grew. So I don't know, take a look at it there. There's one there showing some sort of life, but I don't know, the leaves are going yellow. I mean, the rest of them, they lost their leaves and they just, they're just, I don't know, they're just there. So there you have it. So nothing to report on the bamboo. The dog loves them though. So unfortunately, I have no more of a follow-up. Maybe I'll wait till next spring, maybe there'll be a change, but for sure I can rest assure everyone there is no bamboo shoots growing under this tarmac or under the house, and nothing's changed. So there you have it. I wish you all a great day, and take it handy. Don't forget to subscribe. It's absolutely free. I know it's Ireland, not much is free, but pressing the button subscribe is all the best to yous all. Okay, bye bye.